Alright, welcome guys, welcome to the market review of Aussie US dollar for the week ending 13 December, right? 9 to 13 December. Let's see what happened with this pair. Okay, so basically Aussie has been bearish to the dollar ever since the beginning of this month, 2nd of December over there. Okay, let me just put candlesticks on here. You can see what I'm saying. This is the H1 chart, right? So this thing has been bearish ever since then. Even if we put our trend line was there, even still there. Okay, so you can see it's been falling from the beginning of December, even before that, right? Aussie has just been falling and the trend is continuing. Okay, with Forex it's not as, your trends won't be as cleanly seen in the shorter time frame, but look at that H4, look at this, it's just continuing to drop. So this week it's done the same thing. Let's just have a look at it. H1, this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. A bit choppy, but still, if you can see, Monday it opened over there, 63.97, is closed down here 63.58. So a bit of a upward movement, but nothing. This was just a false breakout over here, false breakout of about 18 pips, and it continued going down the rest of the week. So what else can I say? Wednesday tried to make out a bit of a reversal, but basically I think, is this the low? Let's just have a look at this. Is this the most recent low on Aussie? Yeah, for some time. So it could reverse at that level. As you can see, there is this way back in July, 63, basically we can say 63.50, looking like a line we can watch, but just see what happens. Remember, wait for the market to move first and then take a trade when it's easy. Okay, so if you have signed up, you can now access the rest of this video where I'm going to show you. Let's go to market maker method. Let's have a look at the entries that we could have taken. Okay, so if you've signed up, you can watch this. If not, just sign up with one of my recommended brokers below, make a deposit and send me that email, and you'll be added to be able to view this extra content. Okay, so let's see guys, like you heard earlier in the video what I said, Aussie has been in a downward